So, have you ever heard someone say, cut to the chase? No, it doesn't mean we're going to a fancy party with cake. It actually means to get straight to the point. No beating around the bush. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're telling a story about your trip to the zoo. Instead of talking about what you had for breakfast that day, you could just cut to the chase and tell us about the lions you saw roaring in their cage. See, it's all about skipping the boring stuff and getting to the good stuff. Now, where did this funny saying come from? Well, back in the olden days when they made silent movies, they would have these long, boring scenes with people talking and talking. But the audience just wanted to see the action, like the exciting chase scenes. So, they would literally cut out all the talking and get straight to the chase scenes. And that's how the saying was born. So next time you're telling a story, remember to cut to the chase and keep it interesting. And if anyone asks you what that means, you can tell them all about silent movies and action-packed chases.